It's an east-facing house plan with a G+1, and the total plot area is about 64 feet by 54 feet, and the total plot area is about 3,456 square feet, and built-up area is about 516 square feet for ground floor plan. We have our main gate over here, and the entrance area is about 19 feet 6 inches by 14 feet, with a staircase to the first floor is over here, and the lift area is about 6 feet by 6 feet. We have our parking area. Car parking area is about 30 feet 9 inches by 17 feet, and through the car parking area we have a passage of size 6 feet by 6 feet 3 inches. And we have two bedroom on the ground floor and two bedroom in the first floor. In the ground floor we have a kids bedroom of size 11 feet by 16 feet, and the master bedroom of size 11 feet by 16 feet. And we have a common toilet over here with a commode pointing towards north direction. As per Vastu, it should be faced towards north or south, and here it's towards the north direction. Coming to the first floor, here we have a balcony. Here we have a balcony of size 19 feet 6 inches by 13 feet 3 inches. And as I said, we have that staircase towards the first floor, and here it is towards the terrace, and lift to space 6 feet by 6 feet. And we have our main door for the first floor here, and the living room come dining with a size of 18 feet 9 inches by 17 feet, and we have a sofa location over here and the TV showcase over here. Through the passage we have kids bedroom with attached toilet, kids bedroom of size 11 feet by 11 feet 6 inches, with the toilet of attached toilet of size 11 feet by 4 inches 4 feet, with a commode towards north direction. And opposite the kids bedroom we have a master bedroom of size 11 feet by 16 feet, and we have a common toilet over here. It's also a commode pointing towards north direction, and we have puja room over here of size 5 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches, and the god idols are pointing towards east direction. And alongside the living room we have the open kitchen of size 11 feet by 11 feet, with a storeroom inside of size 5 feet by 5 feet 6 inches, and we have our stove on the east direction. And as I said earlier, as per Vastu, the water sink is over the northeast direction. The overall plan is here. You can see the real film view. Thank you for watching the video. You can get more plans on our website named houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.org, and our apps are also available on the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, PlanNest, and DesignList apps. You can also learn house plan with Vastu in 30 days through online class. For more detail for class, please contact 99520 29063. Our team will provide detail about the class. Thank you.